Today we're going to talk about overintelligence. Overintelligence means your guru gives you an order and you're so smart, you figure out how to do it better and you actually disobey your gurus. Interesting. Stay tuned. You need to hear this. The guru asks the disciple, please give me water. The disciple thinks, water? But milk is better than water. So the disciple gives the guru milk. And the guru looks at the milk and said, I asked you for water. Why did you bring milk? Oh, Guru Maharaj, because milk is better than water. Yeah, milk may be better than water, but I want water right now. That's what I need. That's overintelligence. In Los Angeles, they used to have a room with pews where Prabhupada would lecture, and he liked it because people could walk in with their shoes. It was comfortable. Stained glass windows. It was just like a church. He really liked it. Pipe organ, he would chant. Vishnu Janan Swami would play. It was great. Later on, the temple president decided to make that a temple room, and the old temple room became the Fate exhibit, the diorama exhibit. Beautiful temple room, 3 altars, marble floors. It was incredible. Prabhupada came in, he was angry. He said, I told you never to change anything in this room. Why did you do this? All that work, all that money, all that energy, and it displeased Prabhupada. It was overintelligence. Prabhupada told him not to do it, and he was thinking, no, it'll be better for reason A, B, C, and D. Detroit, 1975, I was there. Prabhupada got the Fisher Mansion. What a place, an incredible place. Cost millions of dollars to build like 40 years earlier, and we were getting it at a pittance. $350,000, I believe, was the selling price. Prabhupada said every room is worth that price. He loved that place. It was in a very bad neighborhood, very dangerous neighborhood. So when Prabhupada left, he arranged for the money. Everything was set. The contract would be signed. The GBC thought, this is a dangerous neighborhood. The devotees thought, this is a dangerous neighborhood. I don't think it's a good idea. Even the realtor who was selling it had some friends, apparently, who told him, you shouldn't sell to the Hare Krishnas. That's not good. They should not have this building. This is like, it's like a holy place. The GBC calls Srila Prabhupada and says, we decided not to buy the building. Prabhupada wanted that. Prabhupada said, if you don't get that building, what is the use of going on? Whoa, he got the message. He misunderstood Prabhupada's heart. He didn't know what was in Prabhupada's heart. In LA, he didn't understand. When Prabhupada said, I want to leave this, he didn't understand why. Because people could come right off the street in their shoes and feel comfortable. That's what Prabhupada wanted. He didn't understand that. He thought, no, temple is better. The other devotee thought, we could get a temple somewhere else, a better neighborhood. Mumbai, the big Mumbai Juhu project. Finally, after much work, Prabhupada was able to secure it. It was very, very difficult to secure. So he finally secures it. And he leaves. Everything is meant to be, everything is secured. And the owner convinced the devotees to sign a paper saying that they would release the property back to him, that they don't want it. Prabhupada could not believe it when he got the phone call. Innocence, yes, young devotees, whatever. Overintelligence. I know more than my guru. When I was a young devotee, Prabhupada said, do not go out at night. At a certain point, he said, do not do Harinam at night. Come home early, like 6 o'clock, have evening program, go to bed. We would not go out. No matter who invited us for anything, we would not go out. And I would say, I cannot go out because my Guru Maharaj said, we cannot go out. And I always joke, I said, I wasn't smart enough to disobey that instruction. Because it probably was okay to go out, for an early evening program. I think Prabhupada meant don't go out and go to bed late because we weren't getting up for Mangalarti. I didn't understand that. But still, because Prabhupada said that, I joke. I said I wasn't smart enough to disobey that instruction. So that's the mantra of this talk. Don't be smart enough to disobey the instruction of your guru. Now, sometimes your guru gives you instruction, this is practical instruction, and you're thinking, this is not going to be good. There'll be some adverse reactions. Okay, so you say, Guru Maharaj, I want to follow your instruction, but if we do, these will be the ramifications. What do you think? And then you might say, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, we'll change. You don't have to do that. We'll do it this way. Okay, that's fine. Now, what's the opposite of overintelligence? Well, the ultimate opposite is knowing the heart of the spiritual master. So first class disciple, he knows the heart. He doesn't have to be asked. Second class has to be asked, and he does it. Third class, asked, and he forgets, or he messes it up. So we want to understand the heart. If we understand the heart of Prabhupada, which is to make every soul Krishna conscious, we will automatically understand the heart of all of Prabhupada's disciples. Some of you who are disciples of those, you don't have to understand your Guru's heart. First understand Prabhupada's heart, then you'll understand your Guru's heart, because his heart is Prabhupada, and his heart is just, he wants to make the world Krishna conscious. So, don't be so smart that you disobey the order of your Guru. Hare Krishna.